tomorrow we face gods and men to build a kingdom.
Look, I'm all for the debate. I'm all for being criticised as being Māori playing Hawaiian. I'm down with that. And I agree, I think that ideally we would have Hawaiians playing Hawaiians. Selfishly, didn't want to give up the opportunity of being a Hawaiian, and I agree with the critics. I think it's healthy. I think we need to care about these things.
Ai hoe oe tu akua kaua. Ohe oia ia ai hoe. Ai hoe oia tu hoilina.
Ale pono ke ia. Kuno au me oe e kua ana.
Ale kau he tu ana kaina.
So I think of Maui, Maui was a hautatu. He liked to put, oh, that's the rules, is it? And then it's push the edge of the rules. So that's it for me. I think that's kind of my secret sauce is embracing my inner hautatu.
Kei te pirangi rātou, kei te pirangi te ao ki te mahitahi me te Māori. Ko te kotinga tēnei I te whakawhirinaki o tātou ki te kāwanatanga.
We have here our Arikinui.
Oh, yeah, beautiful. Oh my God, she's awesome. I came down on Friday, it was beautiful. It was so inspiring.
What did you think?
Because I knew her papa and I knew her kuia, te atairangi kahau. Man, beautiful, eh? So elegant and poised and articulate and tau, eh? It's an antidote to all of these mad leadership models we've got out in the world at the moment, eh? It's like she's just exactly what we need with te ao Māori for te ao.